Today we're having Wingstop and pizza. This is the lemon pepper. Boop. A little salty, but good. This one's a hot honey one. My favorite. I love this one. Mango habanero. The tang, so good. Pizza. Let's go. It's all sliding in. It's good. I love the saltiness of the pepperoni. Oh. Oh my goodness. Did you guys see this? The shrinkage is real, guys. Oh my gosh. Oh, will it not fit? Will it not fit? Hey. All right, let me just do it this way then. It's giving Hawaiian for some reason. Mango habanero. Very good. Alright guys, thanks for watching today's mukbang and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Kaya, say bye. He said no. Hey, what's this bump? Oh, is that just your bones? Alright, bye guys!